This 2019 Prime Time Crusader 320den is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, water heater, stove top burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Prime Time Crusader 320den is 9,964 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.